Okay, Patrick Daniel here. Very excited. I'll be setting up my Calendly to connect it to my Claude. Is Claude right here? I said I connected you to my Calendly. Help me do this yourself. Loading Calendly tools. Got it connected to Patrick Daniel's Calendly. Quickly read what's there. 3 default event types, 1 active type. I need to create a new type from scratch for the AI roadmap session since none of the existing 4 matches. This is absolutely amazing. What I did was, this is Claude, so I'm in a project. See, this is a project up here. You got to be in a project. I'm building a website. Over here is everything I've done so far. Look at all the tasks that it's completed. This is like an AI employee. So this is, I used to hire people to do this for me. Now you have AI employees to set this up, but you got to connect it. You got to use connect here. Down here, see this button right here? I connected, I clicked on that and it was connectors. See that? I clicked on connectors and I added Calendly, see? So far I've connected my Gmail, my Google Calendar, Google Drive, Claude, and Chrome. They connected. So if you connectors, and then it connected my Calendly, and now it's actually setting it up for me. So I'm going to go ahead and say, I need to create a new event type from scratch. 90-minute, the offer, you need a 90-minute, and the offer is APP. It wants to create a Calendly, duration 45 minutes. It created it all for me. Strategy, look at this, amazing. Allow for this task. You got to give it permissions, and now it's working. So this is like this is your employee, your AI employee working on this. Remember, I'm in co-work up here. You got to be in the desktop co-work. You got to have a minimum, the paid version, like $20 a month minimum, to be able to do this. You set up co-work. You download it onto your computer. Now co-work is tapping into my folders, into my platforms, for example, in the calendar. Let's go back. So look at this. It's also setting up questions for me. Let me see right here, 2 decisions. The breakthrough secrets to discover call events still active. Okay, yes, so I want to deactivate breakthrough secrets. You want to deactivate the breakthrough secrets? Yes. Yes, let's deactivate that one. That's an old thing I had on my Calendly, so it's deactivating my breakthrough secrets, which is absolutely amazing. I didn't even know that was there. I didn't have time to deactivate. I didn't want to deactivate. So now this is crazy. You just connect your Claude to your Calendly and it's setting it up. Now I'm building the website on Manus. Manus was purchased by Facebook in December for $2 billion. So I have a $2 billion tool that's helping me. And I'll show you. I'll show my Manus. I go down here. I'm in a different tab. Here's my Manus site right here. And this is where I'm building my Agility AI Pros, which is this website right here. Let's go to the top. So this is the site I'm building. Turn AI into clear business actions. So now when people click on this button, right now when you click on it, it goes to WhatsApp. See, I have it set up for WhatsApp, but I want to change that. I want to click on this and it go to my Calendly. So look at this site that I built, all on Manus myself. All these case studies were built. So that's Manus, but right now, going back to Claude, and Claude is working on deactivating this other one. Claude wants to use update event type, allow for this task. So I'm giving Claude permissions to work on my Calendly and set up my stuff on Calendly. These are all the tasks that were done already. And it's showing you on the side what the tasks are. These are working folders down below. You got to have your working folders. So as you can see, done. Here's the roll-up. Calendly cleaned up. They removed this one. They added this one. Local HTML file removed 90-minute from all case studies. Now they say in a working session will map your use. Now this is the Manus prompt. Paste this into your existing chat. Swap the book links. I'm going to swap all the booking link sites. Currently, every site points to replace all of them with Calendly, right? So all these pages are affected. Reattach the 4 when you send it. Reattach the 4 updated HTML when you send it. 3 things you can do in Calendly. So what I'm going to do now is go in and press copy. I'm going to copy paste this entire prompt. I'm going to go back to this is my Manus site. I'm just going to paste it in here, down here. Control paste. Now I'm going to say go. Boom. Now Manus is adding adding my Calendly link to my site. I'm going to wake this MO up. So as you can see, I'll make these 3 updates. Swap all case study booking links to Calendly. Updated all 8 case study components. It's working on all my case studies. Look at this. This is the code that's happening on the side. That's why this is called vibe coding. You give like verbiage, you tell it what to do, and it starts to code. See all the coding that's being changed? It shows you the architecture, the home page. It's going inside the back end and doing it all on its own. And look at this. It's set up all my different case studies. It's adding a Calendly link for all of them. So okay, now it's asking me a question and we'll reply. So I'm ready to make the updates. I can see you mentioned reattaching the updated HTML. I don't see the attachments in your message yet. Could you please attach the updated HTML files? Okay. Okay, so let me do a little bit of extra work. HTML files in there, but this is what it means to be working for, have an employee, an AI employee actually doing things for you on your computer. So please follow me down below for more, and obviously, and for more updates like this. And I will teach you how to vibe code and have AI employees that are called AI agents, or I like to call them AI employees. Okay, signing out, Patrick Daniel. Thanks. Have a great day.